If you're getting a Framer publish error, don't worry, because in this video, I'm going to walk you through the most common fixes step by step so you can get your site published without the frustration. This guide is perfect whether the issue is caused by editor warnings, missing assets, broken links, custom code, or a domain problem. And if this tutorial helps you out, make sure to hit the like button and subscribe for more quick Framer fixes and website tutorials. Let's jump right in. First, open your project in Framer. Once your project loads, take a careful look around the editor and check for any visible errors. Framer usually gives you clues right in the interface, especially red warnings or messages that point to a broken element or an issue that is stopping the publish process. Don't ignore those alerts, because even one small problem can block the entire site from going live. Next, inspect all pages and components in your project. Make sure every page is properly connected and that nothing important is missing from your navigation or structure. If you recently moved elements around, deleted sections, or changed page settings, that can sometimes create a publish issue without making it obvious at first glance. Go through your pages one by one and confirm that everything is linked correctly. After that, check for any broken images, missing assets, or bad links. If an image file was removed, renamed, or never uploaded correctly, Framer may fail to publish the site properly. The same thing can happen with links that point to pages or files that no longer exist. Replace any missing media, remove anything broken, and make sure every reference in your project is valid. Now let's check your custom code. If you've added scripts, embeds, or advanced code blocks, one unsupported script or syntax error can cause the publish process to fail. Review any custom code carefully and remove anything outdated, incorrect, or not supported by Framer. If you're not sure whether a script is the problem, try temporarily disabling it and publishing again. That can help you quickly isolate the issue. Next, verify your forms and integrations. If your project includes contact forms, email services, analytics tools, or third-party integrations, make sure everything is configured correctly. A broken connection or incomplete setup can sometimes interfere with publishing. Double-check all required fields, API settings, and connected services so nothing is left unfinished. Another important thing to confirm is your domain or subdomain. Make sure your site has a valid domain attached and that it's set up properly in Framer. If the domain is missing, not verified, or configured incorrectly, the publish process may not complete the way you expect. Review your domain settings and make sure the connection looks correct before trying again. Once you've gone through all of those checks, click Publish again and wait for the process to complete. Sometimes the issue is solved simply by fixing one small error and republishing. If it still doesn't work, go back through the list and look for anything that might have been missed, especially hidden warnings, broken references, or code issues. The key to fixing a Framer publish error is to work through the problem methodically. Start with the editor warnings, then check your pages, assets, code, integrations, and domain settings. In most cases, one of those areas is the cause. Take your time, make one change at a time, and test the publish process again after each fix so you know what actually solved it. If this video helped you fix your Framer publish error, please give it a like and subscribe for more website troubleshooting tips, Framer tutorials, and no-nonsense step-by-step guides. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.